Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Rare. I'm going to make a series of making a game menu in GDevelop from scratch. I hope you can learn something from these videos. These are the things you'll find in the upcoming videos. Okay, so let's start. Open your GDevelop. I'm in GDevelop 5 beta 93 version. Let's create a new project. We need to choose the folder where the game files will be located. Now let's click on the empty game. Click here to add a new scene. You can rename your scene if you want. Now wait, instead of starting the design right away, we should make a concept of our design in a graphics editing software, such as Adobe Illustrator. And trust me, if you make the concept design first, then making it on GDevelop will be a lot easier. So let's jump on the Adobe Illustrator. Well, you can design it in a way, but for this tutorial series, make a design similar to my one that will help you to follow later in the videos. So this is my design. You can have different styles and colors as you wish. Now it's time to take the design to GDevelop. Here, change the background color first. And you can have a simple text file containing some information like colors, just like this. It's time to export all the separate objects from the concept design. In Adobe Illustrator, first hide all the objects except the one you want to export. Then click export and just save as PNG. Now let's create objects in GDevelop. Here, when we need to change the animation of our object, we choose sprite. And when we need to repeat an object over an area, we choose tiled object. Let's import all the images as different objects with names. After that, let's start designing the UI, just like the concept. You can turn on the grid. Objects will snap to grid when it's on. And don't forget, you can set up the grid. It's better when cell size is smaller. Now let's place the objects on the screen. Well, at this point you may notice I haven't placed text on the tab buttons. Instead of creating 3 text objects and placing them manually on the buttons, I have a better plan. I will create only one object, then place instances of it on the buttons, then change the text of each instance and finally align them with the buttons using events. To do that, let's create a text object first.